We're Lilli and Sav of LS Design Studio. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is the laundry room at Project Scripps Ranch Reno. You guys are not going to believe the before photos of the space and how far we've come. It transformed into this beautiful, charming, inviting laundry space. It was not before, so a lot has definitely changed in here. We are so happy that our client wanted to go with the bold, show-stopping laundry room because, let's be honest, laundry is not a fun chore, but it might not be that bad in this space. And especially with the beautiful wallpaper, this is a Pottery Barn olive wallpaper. This space almost has that cottage-core feeling that everyone is loving right now. Not modern farmhouse, very different. Beautiful paneling on this back wall. That's a folding space. We actually did a quartz material in here that looks like a soapstone. It's just really beautiful and so easy to maintain. Nothing is going to seep into this. You just wipe it down and it's good to go. Let's call out these cabinet doors because they are different than a shaker. So you can see there's two panels, which is just a little bit more unique and makes it feel more elevated. But we decided to break that up over on the folding area and we gave open spaces, adding texture. It's still concealed storage and it's just something a little bit different. And that's a wrap for this small but mighty laundry room. Thank you guys for tuning in. As always, like and subscribe, and we'll be posting lots of videos just like this. See you next time.